Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open Marquee Tool Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll have the Marquee Tool right where you need it, on the left toolbar, ready for quick selections. This is especially useful if you use selection tools regularly and want to avoid searching through menus every time you start editing. First, open Affinity Photo and load any document so you can see the interface clearly. On the left side, you'll find the main toolbar. If you don't see the Marquee Tool there, no worries, that's exactly what we're fixing. You can use any image or existing project for this, because we're only adjusting the workspace layout, not making changes to the actual document. Look for the three dots icon on the left toolbar. This is the More Options button for customizing tools. Click it to open the Customization panel. This panel lets you add, remove, and rearrange tools so your workspace matches how you like to work. Customizing this area can be really helpful if you have certain tools that you use on almost every project, because keeping them visible can make your editing workflow faster and more comfortable. Inside that panel, use the search bar and type Marquee Tool. The list will filter instantly. You'll see the marquee options show up, typically the rectangular and elliptical variants, used for making clean, quick selections. If you've ever needed to isolate part of an image or create a precise cutout, these tools are essential. The rectangular option is useful for selecting box-shaped areas, while the elliptical option is great for circular or oval selections, so having both easily accessible gives you more flexibility. Now choose the Marquee Tool from the results and drag it over to the left toolbar. As you hover, watch for the highlight that shows exactly where it will land. Drop it in the spot that makes the most sense for your workflow. Before releasing it, make sure the placement indicator is showing the location you want, especially if your toolbar already contains several group tools. You can place it as a standalone icon or nest it with related selection tools, so they share a single slot with a flyout. Take a moment to arrange it near other tools you reach for often. A logical order can save you time on every project. For example, keeping your Marquee Tool close to other selection or masking tools can make it much easier to move between related tasks without constantly searching around the interface. Once it's in place, you're set. The Marquee Tool will now be accessible directly from the left side of your workspace. When you select it, you can click and drag on your canvas to define a selection, perfect for cropping areas, applying adjustments to specific regions, or quickly masking elements. You could, for example, select one section of a photo and apply an adjustment only to that area while leaving the rest of the image untouched. If you like using shortcuts, you can also check your preferences for the assigned key to speed things up even more. Keyboard shortcuts are particularly useful when you're working on larger projects and switching between tools frequently. That's it. Your Marquee Tool is now easy to find and ready to use in Affinity Photo. With your toolbar set up the way you prefer, you'll be able to make selections faster and keep your editing process much more efficient.